Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to relist your sold item or the item just ended. Now click on the listing on your seller hub. Here is an option ended. Go on to that option, and here all your items that unsold. I need to relist one items. I need to select category from collectibles, then select item titles, last 90 days. Here unsold, here is one item that is sold. I need to relist it. So I select it and then click on search. There it is. There it is, there is my item. So I need to relist, and there it is. There is my item, same as option as listing.